Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Blink Floodlight Camera Wired Plus. So reason number 1 is it is very simple to install. It's got a little lanyard up there that helps hold it whenever you've got the bracket installed so that you can do the wiring. The second one is no batteries to charge. So this Ring camera is hardwired to your house wiring and it has power the entire time. And those lights are super bright. The third reason is, these lights are super bright to light up the area. It's got a great motion sensor that you can adjust the different zones. So if there's a sidewalk over here and you only want motion right here, you can adjust it just for that. And it has a really high definition, or a 1080p camera. I can speak to it, I can hear, and it also has a siren. All right, let me play the siren real quick. So that's just a really neat feature. I do love this Blink Floodlight Camera Wired Plus. Thanks for watching.